Welcome to this lesson on common adjectives. Today, we will learn about adjectives that describe size and dimensions. Adjectives are describing words that tell us more about nouns. Size adjectives help us explain how big or how small something is. This is very useful in everyday conversations when we want to give clear descriptions of objects around us. Let's start with the adjective big. Big means something is large in size. We use big to describe things that are not small. For example, that is a big house means the house has a large size. He has a big smile means his smile is wide and shows many teeth. We need a big table means we need a table with a large surface area. Big is a very common word we use every day. Now let's learn about small. Small is the opposite of big. Small means something has a little size. For example, she has a small dog means the dog is not large, it is little. This is a small room means the room does not have much space. I need a small cup means I want a cup that is not big. Small is used to describe things with limited size or space. Next is the adjective large. Large is very similar to big, but we often use large in more formal situations. Large means something has considerable size. For example, they live in a large apartment means their apartment has many rooms and much space. We ordered a large pizza means the pizza has a big size. This is a large company means the company has many employees and offices. Large is another way to say something is big. Let's learn about tiny. Tiny means extremely small or very, very small. It describes something much smaller than small. For example, look at that tiny bird means the bird is extremely small in size. She wore a tiny ring means the ring is very small and delicate. We found a tiny kitten means the kitten is very little, probably just born recently. Tiny emphasizes how small something is. Now we have the adjective huge. Huge means extremely big or very, very large. It is stronger than the word big. For example, that mountain is huge means the mountain is extremely tall and large. They have a huge garden means their garden is very big with lots of space. We saw a huge elephant means the elephant is extremely large in size. Huge shows that something is much bigger than normal. Finally, let's learn enormous. Enormous means extremely large or incredibly big. It is similar to huge, but sounds even more impressive. For example, the whale is an enormous animal means whales are among the largest creatures on Earth. They built an enormous stadium means the stadium is very, very large and can hold many people. This tree is enormous means the tree is extremely tall and wide. Enormous describes the biggest things we can imagine. Let's review all the size adjectives we learned. They form a scale from smallest to largest. Tiny is the smallest, meaning extremely small. Small means little or not big. Big means large in size. Large is similar to big but more formal. Huge means extremely big. And enormous means incredibly large, the biggest size we can describe. Understanding this scale helps you choose the right adjective to express exactly how big or small something is. Practice using these words in your daily conversations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.